Now we're going to start with our die bundles. Again, there's our green foil, or it could be a silver foil circle as well. You can see my feet. That's a great one. One of the very first ones with dies. I'll come over here. Oh, first, before I do that, I do have some 3D items here. Maybe I'll go closer so you can see them. Those boxes are great. That was my second package of them. Those are really pretty. Old scallop note cards, and these were a square box. Okay, go on with the rest of them. This one here also does have a die. So there is a die. That's a hybrid one again, meaning it has an embossing folder as well as the die. And this one there, I just had an example sheet for the Magical Meadow, so I just have that. The die is attached. There is a Designer Series paper to match that Seaside Bay as well. I love the words in that Slim Sayings. And then I also have, oh, there's one more here. And then I also have just some dies by themselves. There was a stamp set that went with this, but I had 2 of these dies. So I think I actually kept that other one. This is the Everyday Details example. So these are all of the ones in the Everyday Details. So there's a ton of them in there. It's a great one to have in your kit. These ones, this one here, in case you didn't know what it was, this is one that has the, you know, the cards where it turns on the side. There's a little cutout in the card and then the inside turns. That's what the Give It a Whirl is. And in many of these, I have cutout items, and I didn't show you, but in a lot of the stamp cases as well, see, so you can see that better, I have all kinds of things that are already stamped and cut out so that you're able just to start working right away. You don't even have to do any stamping yourself. Okay, that's the last one.